What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is Hurricane Laura, and I'm in the northern part of Louisiana. I'm probably, I don't know, 200 miles north of the Gulf down there. So this is what we're going through up here. It's not all that bad. We're getting some probably 60-mile-an-hour gusts where I'm at. It hasn't quite got here yet. Probably like another 30 minutes or so, maybe possibly an hour. I'm not real sure. It's getting real dark outside now. We've had some really big gusts. I've got a bunch of pine cones on the deck here. Came out of that pine tree up there. Nobody in anywhere around. There's, I don't know, 15, 17,000 people without electricity around, is what I seen on the internet a while ago. And I'm running off the generator. My grill has walked itself across the porch out here. It was turned the other direction over there, so it's turned around and come this way. There's a little gust right there, you can see. I'll try to film a little bit and get some of the gusts that's coming through. It's kind of calm right now compared to what it was. I don't suspect we'll have any electricity for, I don't know, 24 hours or maybe longer. Who knows? We're getting pretty close to the center of it, so it should start dying down here for long, and the rain should stop. It's been raining for since this morning about 3 o'clock or so. I don't know, somewhere in there, 3 or 4. I'm not exactly sure. It's about, what time is it now? I don't know, I think it's around 11 something or 12, somewhere in there. Still getting a few big gusts, as you can tell. Outside of a couple big gusts here, there, and yonder, nothing too eventful, really. At least at my house. Got reports from other people, several trees down along the roads, and nobody has power. So for the most part, I think most of it's over with. At least in my area, it's headed up on up into Arkansas now, and it should be a lot weaker when it gets up that way. The people down towards Lake Charles got hit really hard. Got pretty fortunate up here where I'm at. I don't have a lot of damages. The skirting is the only thing I've noticed. My friend Jake, talked to him earlier. He said the roof blew off of his house. Another guy I used to work with, the roof blew off of his house as well. But as I say, I was pretty fortunate, didn't have any damages. So very thankful for that. We'll go ahead and wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next video.